chicken and herb salmon. Salmon that I've purchased from Costco. Olivia Atlantic salmon. It's flash frozen in individual portions. It's farm raised, located in Norway. Sometimes farm raised is not the best option, but I've researched their farming procedures and ethics, and I'm a big fan of their salmon. This is a regular weekly meal for us, and what I like about it is I can remove a piece or two in the morning, place it in the refrigerator, and then it's ready to be cooked for dinner. Seasoning is important. Let's put together 3/4 of a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of ground rosemary, 3/4 teaspoon of dill, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. We'll also need a couple wedges of lemon. You can cut those and set those off to the side for when we're cooking. We'll have enough seasoning here for at least 2 or 3 fillets. If you have a little extra, place it in a Ziploc bag and save it for another day. Generously season both sides of each salmon fillet. On a medium to high heat, we'll add 1 teaspoon of butter and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. The butter gives it some flavor and also helps prevent the olive oil from burning. You want to hear that nice sizzle when you put those fillets down, and give them a gentle press so you ensure that you're going to get a good solid sear. Depending on how you like your salmon cooked, it'll take between 2 to 4 minutes on each side. Personally, 4 minutes is good for me. And then I give it a flip. And now it's time to get those lemon wedges out, 1 for each fillet, and then quickly cover it. Turn the heat down to medium, and that'll be another 4 minutes for me. And here it is, fresh out of the pan. Oh my, mouth watering. It's time to plate that up. Maybe I'll put a little side of rice. You can always garnish it with another piece of lemon.
Ready to shed those extra pounds and reclaim your confidence. Discover the proven secrets to natural weight loss and say goodbye to stubborn belly fat for good. Click the link in the video description below to access our exclusive guide and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. Don't wait. Your transformation begins now. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more exciting audio content.